Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to do the image search on your iPhone. So here, as you can see, we have an iPhone 16, which comes with the Apple Intelligence. And to use this, we have to at first take our phone in the hands and find the camera button here. Now let's hold the camera button, and now we have image search. Let's, for example, take a photo of this thing, and now let's place my phone like this. Here, as you can see, we can search for the answer or ask ChatGPT about that. Let's tap search. Here we can tap continue, and these are the results from Google. 3D printer, some things from Motorola. As you can see, everything is here. And that's it. I hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!